welcome to an Erector review with Little Froggy P, and today we have an Erector set. It's called a Max Kit Excavator, and this doesn't really have a set name, but I guess it kind of has something like a set name, similar to a set name. And it is 0708B, and I have no idea what year it came out or what anything, but it looks like it used to be when it was when it first came out, $7.99, and this has 50 parts. So let's open it up and see what we got. Up. Here's our bag right here with our parts in it. And here's our instructions right here. And it's kind of weird. See, you got those 3 steps there, and you have those steps there, so it's 7 steps. And as you can see there, how they're doing it there. So it's saying what they are and how you put it together, and this is more like putting it together in a hardware toy, because they have to. I don't know for sure, but I think you have to use some screw things, and it comes with that stuff there, everything you need. So I guess we can do a time lapse right now. Okay, here's the completed Erector model, the Excavator, and
your hand's covering it.
These are some of your extra parts you get. These you get to build it. Then you get like an extra nut and an extra bolt and an extra washer. And this doesn't have much feature-wise. If it's loose, you can kind of move it around a little bit. And what the main feature it has is it has wheels that roll on their treads, and it can go around bulldozing things, pushing things away. Like, here goes the instructions. And that is the Gator right there. We will do a review on him soon. Look out for that. And I'll probably put a link to it up there sometime. And so there's just this one orange piece here that has color, as some of you might say. And we will do a how-to video on how to make this run by itself, because that's what you are able to do with the Erector sets. So we'll probably do that on a Saturday or something. So anyways, that's it for this review. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And you may ask me why I'm doing this instead of Lego or Creo or other stuff, and that's because I just it's, in my opinion, it's a building toy and it has features to review and stuff, so it's pretty good. And we do have this big Erector kit that we will probably review. It'll take us a long time to review all the models in there because there are, and it'll take us a long time for that because those models are really big, and but they're also really cool. So I think we should review those bigger models. So let me know what you think of this set, and let me know what you think of the review. And I'll see you next time with Little Froggy Pete.